9 on 2.5a. 2.5a, number 9. Okay. So they gave us, was it x cubed?
Yes.
Minus 3x squared. And then what I want to do, actually I'll just write it as it is. Y plus 2xy squared, is that right? Is equal to 12. Okay. I'm going to rewrite something because I like to think ahead. So this right here, let's rewrite this one as our product rule 3x squared times 1y. Something about the 1 being on there is going to be helpful. Same idea on this one. Let's rewrite that one as 2x times, if you want to write the 1y squared, put the 1 in front. So technically, we're deriving the x squared by itself and applying product rule twice. Is everyone good on that? Okay? So let's see if y'all remember. We wrap this up, and the way we read it is derivative of the given function with respect to what? X. So here we go. Let me change my color. What is the derivative of x cubed?
3x squared.
3x squared. So that part is done. Now I'm going to look at this guy over here. So we have our product rule says derive the first one, which happens to be negative what? Negative 6x. And then I keep the second one as it is, which happens to be just y. Are we going to add dy over dx if I did not mess with the y at all? No. And then you could put a plus next, but technically, because this is already a negative, plus a negative is simply one negative, right? So let's write minus 3x squared. And now when I derive this guy over here, it becomes times 1 and dy over dx. So again, this 1 is not necessary, but I'm just going to leave it for teaching purpose. That was a product rule on the first one. Give me a nod if you're good. Okay, the second one. Derivative of 2x is going to give us what? 2. So we have plus 2. And I'm not going to mess with the y, so leave it as y squared. Again, we're not adding dy over dx because I just derived dx, right? Or derived. And then we have our plus. We keep the 2x. Yep, we keep the 2x. And then when I derive the next piece, what do we get? 2y. And then dy over dx. And derivative in any constant is what? 0. So now from here, I'm going to help you simplify, but the remaining you do, because that's the only calculus, correct?
Correct.
Okay? So let's think about simplifying and seeing what's happening here. Let's leave the 3x as it is. Okay, 3x squared is good. And then minus 6y. Was that all wrapped up? I feel like that was all wrapped up. Let's see if I have it wrapped up on this one. That one is wrapped up. Okay. Minus 6xy. And then let's get rid of the understood ones. Not really needed. dy over, oh God. dy over dx. And then we have plus 2y. On the next one, we can combine. What is 2 times 2? Plus 4xy. dy over dx is equal to 0. So now if I were to kind of put them together, we have, let's use my highlighter. Here's my dy over dx's that you're going to factor out. And then I'm going to get rid of these by moving it to the other side with the same sign or opposite sign? Opposite. Are we good on that so far? So I'm going to stop right here. Good?